In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent. Hello kids, how are you today? Fine, Alhamdulillah. The title of the lesson we are going to study today is called Our World. Please open your student book page 104, 105 and workbook page 94, 95. Are you ready? Yes, thank you. What do you expect we are going to study today? To know this, let me introduce this introductory commentary. Look at the pictures and try to answer the following question. What time is it? It's 7 o'clock. What time does this boy get up? He gets up at 7 o'clock. What time do you get up every day? I get up at 5 to perform dawn prayer. I'm a Muslim. Now we come to another picture. Look and answer. What time is it? It's 8 o'clock. What time does this boy go to school? He goes to school at 8 o'clock. And what time do you go to school? I go to school at 6:30. Now we come to another picture. Look and answer. What time is it? It's 6 o'clock. What time does this boy eat dinner? At 6 o'clock. What time do you eat dinner? At 7 o'clock. Another picture. What time is it? It's 9 o'clock. What time does this boy go to bed? At 9 o'clock. What time do you go to sleep? At 9 o'clock. Why should we go to bed early? This is a high thinking question. We can say we should go to bed early to be able to say dawn prayer and to be active all the day. After this introductory commentary, we can see that the objectives of the lesson we are going to study today can be shortened in the following points. Objective number one is to identify some new words and phrases related to the daily activities through listening to the CD player to know the right pronunciation of these words and phrases. Objective number two is to predict the main topic or the main idea of the lesson we are going to read and study and find out some specific information or content of some short text. Objective number three is to understand and respond to simple short questions, such as what time do you get up and how to answer in a simple sentence, like saying I get up at 6:30 and so on. Now we come to objective number one, which is to identify the keywords and the phrases related to daily activities. I want you to look at the pictures and try to repeat after the CD player. I'm going to play the CD player and you are required to repeat after it. Listen and repeat.
Module 7. Our World. 1. Say the new phrases. 6 o'clock. Get up. Go to school. Go to bed.
Very good. After listening to the CD player, I'm going to try to consolidate and keep these words and phrases in your mind by following the strategy of learning by photo. In other words, I'm going to display you a picture accompanied with a word or a phrase, and you are required to try to identify it. Are you ready? Yes, thank you. Let's read. What is this? What does this boy do? He gets up. Yes, go to bed. Yes, go to school. What time is it? It's 6 o'clock. Thank you. Now we come to objective number two, which is to predict the main idea of a short reading text just by making use of the pictures accompanied. I want you to look at the pictures and try to answer the following question. What do you see in the pictures? Yes, two boys, very good. Where do they come from? They come from the United States of America and Qatar. We can know that just by looking at the flags. What do they talk about? The day of each of them or the daily activities. Now we come to your student book page 104. Look and listen and repeat.
2. Look, listen and read. My day.
Hello, I'm Jim. I am a student. I'm from the USA.
Hi, I'm Hamad. I am a student too. I'm from Qatar.
What time do you get up?
I get up at 8 o'clock in the morning.
I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 9 o'clock.
I go to school at 7 o'clock.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 9 o'clock at night.
I go to bed at 8 o'clock at night.
Very good. Now, once again, read and circle. Hello, I'm Jim. I'm a student. I'm from the USA, United States of America. Hi, I'm Hamad. I'm a student too. I'm from Qatar. What time do you get up? Jim, I get up at 8 o'clock in the morning. Hamad says, I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. After reading, I want you to circle the new phrases. You learn it in this lesson. Yes, get up. Very good. Yes, 6 o'clock. We do the same with this paper. What time do you go to school? Jim, I go to school at 9 o'clock. Hamad, I go to school at 7 o'clock. I go to bed at 9 o'clock at night. Hamad, I go to bed at 8 o'clock at night. Circle the new words. Go to school. Yes. Go to bed. Very good. Great job. Read for the second time. What time do you go to school? I go to school at 9 o'clock. I go to school at 7 o'clock. You can do, after reading this activity, after reading the lesson, you can do activity number 3. Ahmed, he gets up at 6 o'clock. Jem goes to school at 9 o'clock. Ahmed goes to bed at 8 o'clock. Jem goes to bed at 9 o'clock. Now we come to do affirmative assessment, activity number 2 in your workbook, page 96. Look at the clock and circle the correct time. What time is it? What is the time? It's 10 o'clock or it is 12 o'clock. Number 2, look at the clock and say the time. It's 11 o'clock, it's 6 o'clock. Number 3, it's 2 o'clock or it is 3 o'clock. Have your time. Have you finished? Very good. Let me check your answer. Number 1, what is the time? It is 10 o'clock. Number 2, what is the time? It is 6 o'clock. Number 3, what is the time? It is 2 o'clock. Now we come to closer of the lesson. In this lesson, we could identify some new words and know how to ask about the time, saying what time is it, or what is the time, and how to answer it, saying it is 3 o'clock, and so on. Final evaluation. Look and read. Label the pictures. Okay? 2:30, 3 o'clock, go to bed, get up, go to school. You can do it as a homework. You can copy this paper and answer and deliver it to me, inshallah. Also, we come to final evaluation test. Read and answer. My name is Ahmed. I'm from Qatar. I'm a student. I get up at 6:30 in the morning. I go to school at 7. I go to bed at 8 o'clock. My name is Jim. I'm from the United States of America. I'm a student. I get up at 8 o'clock in the morning. I go to school at 9 o'clock. I go to bed at 9:30 at night. Circle yes or no. Is Ahmed from Qatar? Yes or no? Number 2, Does Ahmed go to school at 8 o'clock? Yes or no? Question number 3. What time does Jim go to bed? برضو ده هيكون واجب تطبع هذه الورقة وتعطيني الجواب عليها من تدخل على المنصة وتسمع إلى هذا الفيديو وتجاوب على هذه الأسئلة. Now we come to closure of the lesson. Okay. Read and write. What time do you get up? طبعا يمكنك أن تقول I get up at 6 o'clock. Number 2. What time do you go to school? طبعا I go to school at 7 o'clock. Number 3. What time do you go to bed? I go to bed at 9 o'clock. Thank you very much and goodbye.